healthy as well as delicious pasta salad prepared very quickly for you all, my friends. There are many ways to make this type of pasta salad, but this is my own version, which is done in a very quick and easy way, and of course delicious to me. So hope you all will like this. So once again, welcome to my channel, DJ's Quick Recipe. This is the Bowtie or butterfly pasta, which is called Farfalle. I'm going to use this 6 to 8 ounce. So for this, first I have to boil water at least 3 to 4 cup using high heat to boil water. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare salad items. First, cucumber. Peeling is done before and washed too. Trying to cut into small pieces. Next, green chilies. You can skip this if you don't like a spicy taste. Now carrots. Using a very thin slicer as I don't like to buy hard carrot with my pasta salad. Anyway, next, red onion, perfect for any salad. Don't forget to add this, but of course, make it thin sliced. Next, my garden fresh mint leaves, very refreshing. Frozen corn. Before mixing, just took it out from freezer 12 minutes ago. Just one slice of lemon juice is enough, as we don't like too much sour taste in salad. Now in a boiling water, adding salt to make the water lightly salted. We'll cook the pasta about 12 minutes until tender yet firm to the bite. It's perfectly boiled, I think. Now it's time to draining the water. I'm directly using it, but you can wait for it to cool down or rinse cold water to the cooked pasta. These ingredients I'm going to use for pasta and the salads. First, mayonnaise. 2 to 4 tablespoons is enough. For me, 2 tablespoons, but more mayo, more taste, no doubt. I will use sweet relish. Believe me, this adds so much taste to this pasta salad. Next, Thai sweet chili sauce. I always like sweet, sour and spicy taste together, so this is perfect for me. Just 1 teaspoon yellow mustard I'm gonna use. Don't use this too much. Little black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Mixing sauces with the pasta, but this is not final mixing. Don't forget to add lemon juice. These always add extra level of flavor to any food and full of vitamin C. Now adding all salad ingredients with the boiled pasta. Second mixing, not final yet though. Salt I already added during boiling. Now again a little bit more, total half teaspoon. I like to use hand for proper mixing so that sauces can coat the pasta evenly. Please don't forget to check the description box. You will find the link of my blog. There, it will be easy for you to note down the amount of ingredients of my all recipes. Bowtie pasta salad is ready to serve. To me, this goes best with fried or grilled chicken. Or you just choose only a bowl of healthy pasta salad as your weeknight dinner. If you guys have any question or comment, write them below. If you enjoyed learning cooking from me, why not hit the subscribe button and press bell button to get notification every time I post a new recipe. Thanks for watching.